Fatboiz. See, guy, you get what I say? I go reason give you. The way we God take bless you, I wonder whether I also use the bless other guy. See your girl now. You get girl where they provide this, provide that. If she won't cook, she will go buy come. Omo, you are so lucky, man. You're too lucky, I beg.
You don't know they were supposed to name me Lucky, but my father said let him just give me Daniel. There's a reason for the Daniel too. You don't know. God knows that people like you are not usually doesn't stay one place. You are not faithful. That's why he cannot give you that kind of care.
See this man, you know, me and you who they faithful pass. God knows say me I faithful pass you down.
You don't know me. Go and ask. They used to call me Faithfulness because my second name is Faithfulness. Yeah, I love her. I love the girl, but she will be coming back from school anytime soon, you know.
Yeah, she's coming back from school. I don't say before then you go don't knock like 6 or 15 people. Cheat like you. You go cheat, or leave that thing, Joe. You go cheat.
You don't know me. I will see. I swear, anything that will make me cheat on my girl, when she comes back, let my not stand again.
What is?
Let my Odogu Makanaki not stand again when I am with her.
Now you talk more.
Cheaters, that is how they behave. Because you know you're not a cheater.
Baby,
I missed you.
I missed you more.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
You want to finish me today?
Baby, what's wrong now?
Baby, you know, since you left, my heart became soft. So maybe the soft have affected the hard. That is why it's not hard.
Babe.
Huh?
Okay, I get it now. I'm not touching the right place.
You know that?
That's your ear.
You have not
Your
touched my
nipple.
weak
Babe, you're still not hard. What's happening? This is serious. What's happening now? You're not hard.
I don't know what is wrong, oh. I don't know. Let me go and check what is wrong in the back.
Are you cheating on me?
Why will I cheat on my heavenly set? You know I can never cheat on you now, baby.
I think you need to use the bathroom. Check what's wrong. This is unlike you.
I'm coming.
I'm waiting.
Let me, so that it will come up.
Yeah.
Don't miss me too much.
Let me see. Hurry. Babe, the machine gun don't cock.
Never cock.
Come, let me try again. What's wrong now? What's happening?
I don't know what is happening. Baby, it's not working.
What's happening now?
I don't know.
Me, I'm out of here, Joe. I can't take this anymore. What's all this now?
Baby, let's try it for the last
No,
time.
when the machine gun call me. Leave me.
Come and touch it for the last time. Baby, I promise you it will conquer this time. Maybe there was no bullet inside. Baby?
What is wrong with you now? Why did you... Oh. I've not experienced this kind of thing before.
Hey! Yeah! It's a funk! Baby! Baby, it's a funk! It's a funk! Hello? Speak now. Hello? Baby? The machine gun have come. Where are you?
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, go back to school.
Yeah!
No. So what should I do to the machine gun that just come?
Yeah!